snow. White are the far-off plains, and white are the fading forests grow. The wind dies out strong the height, and denser still the snow. I gather and wait on roof and trees. Falls down scarce audibly. The road before me smooths and fills. Apace and all about, the fences dwindle and the hills are blotted softly out. The naked trees bloom spectrally into the dim white sky. The meadows and far-sheeted streams lie still without a sound, like some soft minister of dreams. The snowfall hoods me round. In wood and water and earth and air, a silence everywhere, save when at lowly intervals some farmer's sleigh urged on, with rustling runners and sharp bells, swings by me and is gone. Or from the empty waste I hear a sound remote and clear, the barking of a dog or call to cattle sharply pealed, some echoing from some wayside stall or barnyard far afield. Then all is silent and the snow falls, settling soft and slow. The evening deepens and the gray folds closer to earth and sky. The world seems shrouded far away. Its noises sleep, and I, as secret as yon buried stream, plod dumbly on and dream.